So guys, here I can find your 2025 YouTube recap. I know most of you are looking for it. This is mine over here. And it's very easy for me to locate. I am number one on my top channels. Yes, I watch my channel a lot, as you can see. Okay, so just follow the steps on this video to get yours. All right. So in my previous video, I explained how you can get your YouTube Wrapped, but it did not work for some people, as you can see. This is my video. Yes, this is it over here, and it did not work for some people. Yeah, so this method I'm going to show you on this video should work for everybody. So make sure you stay to the very end of this video and follow the steps. Yes, follow the steps on this video so that you can see your own YouTube Wrapped. Okay, now if you're coming from this video, right, I'm going to tag this video in the description so that when you try out this method, and if it does not work, you now follow the next method we are seeing on my screen. So you go to your browser. Once you're in your browser, you search youtube.com/recap. Now I'm going to leave this link in the description box below for you, so it's going to be easy for you to locate. Okay, so I'm going to search. Now once it says looking for your 2025 recap is available on the YouTube app. Now this means you need to have the YouTube app on your phone. So you're going to click on open YouTube. Then I'm going to click on allow. So guys, can you see automatically it brought me to my YouTube recap ASAP? Okay, it brought me right here immediately. Right, this is it over here. Okay, so now this should work for you automatically. Now for YouTube Music, people with YouTube Music, it should be the same. So just go to your YouTube Music and you can see your YouTube Music recap over there. All right, and if you check your YouTube and there is no YouTube recap for you, what you need to do is to go to your App Store, your Play Store, depending on the phone you're using, then search YouTube so that you're going to update the app. As you can see, mine is updated to the latest version, because if yours not updated, you may not get it. And now once you've updated it, you still have to check again, follow the same process in my previous video and this video, right? Once you follow it, you're meant to see your recap over here. If you do not find yours here, then guys, let us go to Twitter, because a lot of people are complaining about this too. Let's go to Twitter. Let's search YouTube recap. So people are complaining, they try to use VPN, and not everybody is getting it. But here's what YouTube have to say about this. YouTube recap is rolling out globally throughout the week. Check back in with us if you have still not seen it by then. So it means this week we are definitely going to see your YouTube recap on both the YouTube platform or also your YouTube Music. So let me know in the comment section if you've gotten yours already like mine, or you're also going to roll out later this week. And if it does, kindly come back to my page, my channel, this video, to let us know, your most viewed channel, everything about your YouTube recap, just like I've seen on my own video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.